Hello everyone, welcome on my next video of the chemistry factory. I finally got to do some mind tweaking with some recipes like this one for example, with Boch iron ore, which I did not process yet here, and good that I did not do it. So otherwise I would only get iron lumps. Where are they? Lots of canisters apparently. Oh, okay. This iron lumps or iron pellets. As you can see, these recipes are now completely disabled, and every ore from this mod now yields gerechtig like ores. Let's see, 1487. So this one was already outputting magnetite, but I did need to remove some recipe because it yielded some pure iron. What is this doing here? No idea. Aha. Oh no, then one just disappears. That's also not meant to be. That's this one. But yeah, this one did also. No, this one not. This one was already modified by gerechtig because of this contains a no amount of hematite, so it was already registered as not smeltable. This one was not, but I allowed it to convert to iron ore since I found that the best option. Here the same, because I was doubting between yellow and brown limonite. I might change that into in the future, but you can not clearly see if it's yellow or brown, so it should be brown. So I might later change it to brown. But I did not find the gerechtig ores, sadly enough. The blocks. They are not in minetweak, not in here, so I'm not really able to find them. I should need to dig for them then and show it by that. Then I should be possible. Yeah, Boch iron ore, that goes to casterite ore. But like I said, once I have the ore block, I will change it to that. For now it's just smelting recipe. Same for here, tiny crushed iron ore, because they give low output. That's the main reason. And that is the most things the most of the things I have done actually. Mostly balance out these ores since they would give me a bit much iron ore, especially this one. No, actually it gives even more iron ore, but it requires a bit more processing than just using the furnace. So it's actually harder, but you do get more output. Maybe I could change it to limonite anyways, but I think it's okay for the moment. It's not so hard to do, I think, once I find limonite. If I find it somewhere below. Gerechtig limonite, I mean by that. So now you can empty-hand it like this, empty hand, and then it gives the item number, name. This is level 20. This should give the minerals. They are foundable on this level. But finding it, that's another story. However, sometimes it's easier to find it at another, but with IHL tools, I hate lava. I will call it from now. Lava is way too deadly in the nether. The nether is unsuitable for mining unless you have fire resistance. So let's mine this graphite. Not anthracite, sorry. Even not anthracite. Bituminous coal. Rather. And it's a little bit dark also. So I need more light sources. I do have lots of fuel with this. Only useful thing would be torches, fuel itself, or this coal pellets. So I'll choose for the coal pellets. What's this again? That stuff here. Oh boy, that's a little bit too hard to mine with my flint pickaxe. I'm gonna need obsidian for that. Let's oh, that's lava again. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Lava. So fun, always. So fun. I could just do this. And this. And this, and then oh, no. And I will be able to extract this. Now let's return to the base. There is even more of that stuff. Fuel stuff. I won't find limonite anytime soon, so that minetweak will be for later. Unless I can find a way to look up the blocks, the block types from Grechtig, the ore blocks, but for some reason they are hidden from NAI. The one thing I forgot to do was the glass dust producing with the mortar. That I did forget. I should make a barrel for this actually. Unless I want to use my lead for the boilers instead. How much lead do I have? Yes, I want to use it for a boiler. Copper, lots of bronze scrap. So since this is scrap, I'm gonna gonna do the bronze scrap not in the middle one but in the left one, since it has exactly the same melting point as copper. Oh, that's a fast one. Tin scrap goes here. Yeah, here I could use a new burning box eventually. Or I could take one from the other, but burning box should not be a problem, since I have double copper plates and lots of bronze. So what did I need again? Turbine, it was. Not those turbines, of course, those are a little bit expensive. Iron frame for things. It's a little bit much iron, I think. But this turbine I need. A bronze turbine, or I could choose the Invor one, maybe. The brass one, but then I need zinc. 40 bronze, and then the sluice was also something like that, so 80 bronze. Oh boy, not even near that. So let's go mining a little bit more, just a little bit more. A little bit much more, I think. But first, let's get that white stuff, that white gems. And they should be fairly abundant, since they do not generate like gerechtig ore, but are chunk generated, so each chunk contains a bit of each ore, of that ore, so every chunk has it, like this stuff that was intended. I did wish this one could be generated the same way as gerechtig ores are generated, would be much nicer. Then would have like regions full of yeah, that stone, for example. Or regions with this stuff, moissanite shards, or crush by the crusher might be the best, since that one gives all this nice stuff. It's even tradable for an emerald. It's not bad. And pickaxe 5 attack damage, so that's might be equal to iron, I think. No, to diamond. Oh boy, that's nice. Let's set it on a run. Imagining a cave full of this, just one big cave, or this would look much nicer. That's probably not that easy to code, I think. That might be possible. Maybe through another mod I might be able to do that. But I don't know if that will work with gerechtig. That's a question, of course. What's with this? No buffs or something? Just by jumping it acts strange. So I will have to wait for the crusher. Could make the rock prospector also. The rock prospector. Not quite expensive, I think. Do you need colored glass or is normal glass also good? Let's just try it. Not with bronze, of course. Do I have some metals left? Yes, here. The most abundant one. So, glass. Yes, that seems to work. That's good. Then I need 5 ingots and a support arm. Just 2 nuggets and 1 ingot, so I could make this already. This support arm, and then I just need some more nuggets. Ingots. Yes, ingots. Not very hard to do also. Tin ore, cassiterite, tin ore, lots of that stuff. I do have zinc. I do have some zinc. Iron dust, tin nuggets. So let's see. Let's put it in. Yeah, my nose is still a bit obstructed, or how you say it. It's not very pleasant. The reason I do want to do this first, because I then can make a better pickaxe, and which will make mining a lot more easier. That's somewhat my goal. So pellets, sand, not limestone. I also started disabling some IHL tools, or since they already are generated by Grechtek, so it's not really needed to double generate ores of the same name. It's not all of them yet. Might do that later on. In fact, I could also eliminate the iron ores from the rock hounding mod if I want, since Grechtek also generates lots of iron. for the moment I won't do that because iron is really needed ultra much for everything. But other elements from IHL are not much needed, like bauxite for example. That's late game, and once you can really process it, you're able to mine it with an excavator from immersive engineering, so it's infinite by then. So you don't really need to get extra ores for it. Yeah, of course, the upper dust is magnetite, so that one does take a while to heat. I should fill this barrel also. So let's see, where's my pickets? Pickets. I will have to watch out that no seawater ever comes in here, or my water spring is screwed then. This goes all the way to bedrock. Once I have a pump in there, the mining, the water production will be very easy. So I have a little bit of water now. So let's take it to the ore processing. So still not heated and still heating, so that's good. Here, and this may go here. Should be hot enough to get some ingots from it at the moment. So I will, it's already yep, let's get some ingots. So that's 1, 2, 3. Oh that's not. Oh damn. Shit. I forgot. Okay, I should not use it towards this one. Yes, ingots. Could use a tin plate probably for something, I hope. I don't have to worry since the solidifying time is very long, so it won't die as quickly. Hopefully. No, it won't. I think I will get to my 5 ingots with ease. not be a problem. And when this is done, I just let it cool off. And extract the scraps and put them back in there. Yes, that's easily 5 ingots, perfect. That's everything, so the rest may cool off. Alright, let's make the rock prospector. Hey, cool, looks like a spear. Should be like this. Yep. A rock prospector is working. So do I need any kind of other stuff to process it? Just fuel. Just some fuel. Excuse me. Let's use standard fuel. Okay, that should be enough. And does it do something, or does it need something else yet? Rock prospector does not do anything apparently. Nope. I probably need something in here, I think. So rock haunting mods. Let's see, that's probably the reason, this thing here. That's a lot of items, a lot of blocks, mostly decoration related. So I'm here at the items now, so it should be iron wedge. Oh boy, really? That's a lot of iron. Damn. Okay then, never mind. That's for next time this. I'm not sure how long I have been recording yet. Should be my first. I did not saw a second video generating, so I might leave it by here. So yeah, this officially does not work. Sadly enough, I need an iron wedge for it. So I will have to wait for more iron then. So I hope to do that in the next video. So I see you guys later now. Bye bye.